Can we please just talk about TikTok for a minute? In the last 90 days, my mom and I have done over $66,000 in organic sales from TikTok. No ads, no cold messages, no selling in DMs. And if that's not enough to catch your attention, this video is probably not for you. But if you are an entrepreneur looking to exponentially increase the amount of followers, leads, and sales you get from your business, I am pulling back the curtain and giving you a step-by-step marketing strategy you can start using on TikTok today to get the same kind of results in your own business. My name is Jordan Maley. I'm the co-founder of the Global Freedom Community alongside my mom and business partner, Kathy Schneider. Together, we give ambitious entrepreneurs the blueprint to start, grow, and automate your online business so you can create a profitable social media presence without stress and overwhelm. If you're new here, be sure and hit that subscribe button because we put out great new videos just like this one on this channel every single week, and I don't want you to miss the next free training we release. First things first, you've got to pick a niche. And I know some people say niche, but I like to say the riches are in the niches because they truly are. People overcomplicate this. So here's the simple version. Who do you want to help? How do you want to help them as it relates to what you sell? If you need more help with this, we recorded an entire video on how to find your niche, which you can watch right here. Once you know your niche, it's time to set up your TikTok profile. There are 4 main components to your profile that you will want to have set up properly to get the best results. First, your name. Now, logically, you would think the best thing to put in this field would be your actual name. But this is a searchable term on TikTok that also helps the algorithm know what kind of content you're creating and who to push out your videos to. There's 2 ways to go about using this field. You can either use a keyword-rich title like social media coach or business coach for women, or you can use a keyword phrase that tells people about the type of content you share on your account, like fitness tips for moms or gluten-free recipes. I recommend checking out some larger accounts within your niche to see how they are using it for inspiration. After your name, you have your profile picture. Make this a clear close-up photo of your beautiful face. And it's even better if it's the same photo that you're using across all of your social media platforms, so it's easy for people to recognize you. Next, we have your bio. Character count is limited here, but you want to use this space to make it extremely clear who you help, how you help them, and what someone will get by following you. On the last line, include a call to action. And finally, you have your link. Now, if you have less than 1,000 followers, you don't have the link option yet. So I recommend connecting your Instagram account to your TikTok profile. You can do that in the edit profile section and use your call to action to direct people to connect with you there. Once you get to 1,000 followers, you want to use this link to direct people to your most popular resources or offers. There's lots of sites you can use to do this, like Milkshake, Campsite, and Stan, or you can do what we did and create your own on your own website if you have one. When you set this up properly, you can actually automate your selling process. So your content is bringing in leads and sales for you 24/7, whether you're working or not. I'm going to show you how to get our complete automated sales strategy free at the end of this video, so keep watching. Once your profile is set up properly, it's time to start creating content. When your account is brand new or you're reviving an old account, you need to give the algorithm a chance to figure out what kind of content you're creating and who to push your videos out to. That's why we recommend posting 3 to 5 times a day over the first 2 weeks. I know that's a lot of content, but trust me on this, it will pay off. And I wanted to make sure I stayed consistent in my first 2 weeks on the platform, so I didn't even start posting until I had all that content created so that I wouldn't get behind. After that initial 2-week period, you can scale back to just 2 posts a day or any number that you can keep up with consistently. By now, you're probably asking, cool, so what kind of videos do I create? This is a great question, and we created an entire video around it where we outline exactly what to post to get 100 new followers a day without going viral, which you can watch right here. I will also link it below for you as well. All right, this last step might be the most important step I've shared in this entire video, and that is your call to action strategy. Yes, you need to know your niche. You need to get your profile set up correctly. You need to post consistent, high quality content. But if you're not telling your viewers how they can take the next step with you, you're going to struggle to get followers, leads, and sales. Every single video needs to include a call to action. And what that call to action is will depend on what your goal for the video is. If your goal is to get more followers, then say follow for more. If your goal is to increase engagement, then ask people to leave a comment. And if your goal is to convert a lead or a sale, then tell people to check out the resources on your profile. The key to growth on any social media platform is to look at it like a funnel. You use your content to attract an audience of buyers by consistently creating high quality, value-driven content. From there, you use your call to action to direct people to your automated selling systems where you capture leads and convert sales. We say automated because our number one goal as entrepreneurs is to create a business model that converts leads and sales 24/7, whether we're working or not. And to help you do this, we created a free 60-minute masterclass where we share our complete 5-step system for attracting an audience, capturing leads, and converting sales on autopilot, even if you're starting from scratch. This is the exact system we use to go from no sales to consistent 20K months, and you can watch it free at globalfreedomcommunity.com/free training. I will also link it below for you as well. All right, that's all I got for today. If you want to learn more about how to use TikTok for business growth, check out these 2 videos. Just don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you go so you'll be notified the next time we release a new video on this channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.